Greetings and salutations. Welcome to this episode of the Tim and Borg Show. In this one, we're going to do a little video about this computer. I bought this computer here on eBay for $160 and I fixed it up. I should have showed you the process, but I didn't. Maybe another time. But I'll show you it working now. Let's turn it on. When I got it, it didn't have this drive or that drive bay in it, or any drives at all. There was no hard drive in there because I striked a deal with the seller, take the hard drive out to give me $15 off it because he wanted $175, so I got it for $160 with no hard drive because I knew I had an SSD I could stick in it. As you can see there, I've put that little M.2 SSD in there, which was a spare one I had from my computer. It's only 120 gigabytes, so it barely fits Windows and 1 or 2 games on it, you know, kind of thing. But if you're wondering what processor this is, see if you can see what the motherboard says. It's a ASRock A320M, so that's the AMD 320 chipset. Anyway, it's finished, and it's an Athlon sticker here. AMD Athlon 200 GE with Radeon graphics, and it came with this side panel, right? Windows license sticker on it that worked, and I installed this copy of Windows that's licensed using the sticker that was on the side of the computer. So basically, effectively came with the Windows license. I know that's only worth like $40 on a discount key, but it's like $150 if you actually buy it brand new from legit shop. Or directly from Microsoft kind of thing. Anyway, so I just bought this as a spare computer and for parts and stuff like that. I'm not sure what I'm going to even use it for yet. Like, I might give it to somebody else, or I might use it as a media center for my lounge room, or for my house in the country, or for the bedroom, or might just give it to somebody. So yeah, the chip goes up to 3.2 gigahertz, but I've got it on power saving mode at the moment. I always do that. To save power, you put it on high performance and stress it a bit. The chip will do stuff. I've installed a game already. I installed Sonic Superstars, so a brand new game that, you know, is like on PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5, but it's also on Steam. So I've activated Steam on this, and it actually works perfectly fine. So as you can see, this is a computer with no GPU. It's just got like a couple of Vega cores from the first generation Zen APU architecture. This is only a dual core with 4 threads, obviously. So it looks like 4 core, but it's not really. Anyway, I'll turn the sound up. I'll plug speakers in. And here we go, we've got Sonic. And I was just playing this before using the keyboard. I haven't plugged in a controller yet. You've got to configure it and stuff. I've got the internet working with the wireless, but I did connect it with a cable before. I should move that to the back of the computer or something. I could put the wireless down on this one instead, because you can put like I had a memory stick there, so like it can do USBs or it can do memory cards. But then there's also USB 3 in the front here. I like how it's got the lights. I like how it's got the drive bays, it's retro. I just put a white one in there, because why not? So it was a spare one in a drawer. It does work. See? And I installed Neuroburn on a disk I had. So, yeah. Super multi DVD rewrite, because I'm old school and it makes the whole computer feel better. But anyway, it's got an EVGA 450 GD power supply, and that's pretty good as well. And just one stick of DDR. I know that if I install another stick, that'll be better for dual channel memory and unlock more performance. Yeah, anyway, so I'll just show you that it works. Load into it, but I can't really play much because this isn't screencasting, and I'm holding the computer, the phone, you know, to record this. the mouse off the screen. It's really hard to do this. Like, I won't be able to jump, I can only do it with one hand. Here, and jump is over here. So, I wish the spacebar was jump so I could do it single-handed. But it's not like that. So, jump and push forward using two hands, it's very hard. Like this. I suppose I can just use one hand like this. Oops, but now I've got a spin dash. That's hard. Anyway, as you can see, the frames look perfectly smooth. There's no... I don't actually know what the frames are because I didn't turn that on, but it looks perfectly fine. It's 100% playable. It's clearly doing around 30 frames a second or something, or greater. And the graphics look just as good as they do. It's not turning the graphics effects down or anything. It looks just as good as it does on my, state-of-the-art computer, right? Brand new Ryzen 5000 or whatever, 7000, my graphics card and all that, So that's cool, man. Anyway, we'll just close that for now. Ooh, there you go. What's happening? I pressed close. And yeah, see, it wasn't even, you can see the CPU was maxed out. Well, it wasn't even 100% maxed out. I don't know if that's just a problem with the software or something, but yeah, I don't know. The CPU wasn't maxed out doing that when it was happening. Now that I've closed it, it's still doing stuff for some reason. I don't even know what it's doing now. It was doing something now that it wasn't doing before. Steam Web Helper, it says. Anyway, I'll close Steam. Those are the games I've got. I should install. I was thinking I might install Sonic Generations next, actually. So yeah. See, I've only got 60 gigabytes free on that 120 M.2 drive. But why not start download on some Sonic Generations? This one should only play even better than the last one. And look at this, it's transferring it directly from my other computer that's running Steam right now without having to download it off the internet. Isn't that cool? I didn't know that Steam did that. I'm very impressed. Anyway, just thought I would do a tech video about a computer because I haven't done that in a long time. Yeah, I used to run a tech show, but let's not talk about that now because I don't do it anymore. And yeah, haven't had a spare computer for a while. I might do some other videos about some other hardware I've bought and doing an upgrade for Ryzen 7000. So stay tuned. Check out my channel for more tech videos. And I've also got lots of gaming videos. So if you're interested in gaming, check out my channel and please subscribe. Alright, thanks for watching this video from Tim and Borg Show. Live long and prosper. Resistance is futile.